One. One finger, one card, one plane and one jar. Now you sing.
You are number one. You are so much fun. Let's count the number one. One earth, one tree, one you and one me.
Two apples, two trees, two tiny little buzzing bees, two tables, two chairs, two monkeys jumping over there, two candles, two flames, two smiley happy dancing dames, two farmers, two books, two very hungry sitting ducks, two chickens, two sheep, two frogs getting ready to leap.
Three apples, three trees, three tiny little buzzing bees, three tables, three chairs, three monkeys jumping over there, three candles, three flames, three smiley happy dancing dames, three farmers, three books, three very hungry sitting ducks, three chickens, three sheep, three frogs getting ready to leap.
Four apples, four trees, four tiny little buzzing bees, four tables, four chairs, four monkeys jumping over there.
Five apples, five trees, five tiny little buzzing bees, five tables, five chairs, five monkeys jumping over there, five. Six apples, six trees, six tiny little buzzing bees, six tables, six chairs, six monkeys jumping over there, six. Seven apples, seven trees, seven tiny little buzzing bees, seven tables, seven chairs, seven monkeys jumping over there, seven. Eight apples, eight trees, eight tiny little buzzing bees, eight tables, eight chairs, eight monkeys jumping over there, eight. Nine apples, nine trees, nine tiny little buzzing bees, nine tables, nine chairs, nine monkeys jumping over there, nine.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Yes. These hens are 10 in number. Now let's draw the number